Mr. Baccarat. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go!
Ang strategy natin is mirror strategy. Okay? Okay, screen record lang natin guys. Lobby.
Let's go!
Screen record. Easy yan lang natin guys. Speed. Sabay na.
Sa makalahati na.
Hanap muna tayo guys.
Tapos speed Baccarat 2. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Screen record, okay?
Yan. Yan na.
Right, K.
5K tayo guys.
Okay, hintayin muna natin isa. Magmi-mirror strategy tayo guys. Tingnan tayo dito sa ano. Yan. Ano man, mistake. Okay, let's go. Hintayin lang natin guys. Okay, nag-no mirror siya. Tayo magmi-mirror. Player tayo guys.
Let's go!
Bombahan natin to. 25k sa player.
And now!
Let's go, let's go! Mirror strategy guys ha. Bomba sa player, let's go. Let's go, let's go. In 6, pwede na. 6 ball.
Pictures!
Oy, nag-boys. Sabay.
Malaban.
Sabay.
Mapalag!
Mirror strategy, player ulit tayo guys.
Okay.
Yan, spasa pa.
Let's go.
Waiting muna tayo guys.
4, 3. 25k, let's go!
Yes!
25k player. 4,
4-0.
4-1, okay?
Picture na guys.
5-1. Wow! Merry Christmas! Mirror strategy! Let's go, let's go! Okay, stop recording na natin to. Okay guys, so maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Nood kayo ng Facebook Live natin. Doon tayo magmimigay ng mga pag-giveaway. May tatamaan sa inyo ng 2,000. Let's go, let's go! Bye!